Welcome to Video Cars. Today we see how old cars are recycled into steel railway tracks, a step-by-step full process. From above, a silent testament to journeys ended, a vast ocean of discarded vehicles awaits its next chapter. A heavy truck carrying the remnants of countless roads enters a facility where transformation begins. Here, every kilogram is accounted for, a precise measure of the raw material for a new future. Before rebirth, each vehicle undergoes a meticulous dismantling, a careful separation of its past. Specialized technicians with precision and care remove hazardous components, ensuring a clean slate. Every drop of fluid is reclaimed, a systematic process that honors resources and protects the environment. At the depollution station, a symphony of careful work prepares these machines for their ultimate change. With a practiced hand, a technician extracts a catalytic converter, revealing the intricate science within. Then into the maw of the shredder, where the old form gives way to a new, fragmented reality. The colossal hammer mill roars to life, a powerful force reducing steel to its fundamental elements. What emerges are fragments, a mosaic of metal that once defined our journeys, now ready for reassembly. Along a vibrating but a magnetic dance separates steel from other metals, each piece finding its destined path. An eddy current separator with invisible precision sorts non-ferrous metals, a testament to modern recycling. Human hands, skilled and vigilant, ensure purity, removing any last remnants of the past. In a massive yard, an electromagnet orchestrates a bullet of steel, preparing the furnace's next meal. Each charge basket is a carefully constructed recipe, optimizing the alchemy that lies ahead. Then a dramatic ascent, a 1 A2 ton basket of shredded cars rises towards the heart of the steel mill. Into the fiery
Base
crucible,
layer
the
in.
shredded
Heavy
steel
shreds packed
cascades,
tight.
a
Copy. Positioning
thunderous
for light layer.
beginning to
Good
its
density.
molten
Now the top layer.
metamorphosis.
Lighter
The
shreds on
furnace
top.
roof
Distribute
descends,
evenly.
sealing the chamber where raw power will redefine matter. With a blinding flash, electric arcs ignite, unleashing temperatures hotter than a volcano, melting the past into liquid. From the outside, the furnace glows with intense heat, a powerful engine of change constantly at work. Inside, through a shielded port, we witness the incredible sight, solid steel dissolving into a churning lake of molten metal. In the control room, an operator with a steady hand guides this immense process, a master of the molten. An oxygen lance injects pure energy, burning away impurities, refining the liquid heart of the steel. Then, the top, a river of incandescent steel pours forth, a breathtaking display of raw power and beauty. Lifted by a colossal crane, the ladle of molten steel moves, a glowing vessel carrying the promise of tomorrow. At the ladle
Lowering
metallurgy
electrodes
furnace, the
to
steel's
stabilize the
very
arc.
essence is fine-tuned, its chemistry
Powers holding.
perfected for its
Watching the
future
bath
role.
temp.
In the lab, a tiny sample reveals the steel's precise composition, a scientific fingerprint for quality. The continuous casting machine begins its work, shaping the molten stream into solid, glowing blooms. Red-hot steel blooms emerge, each a rectangular promise destined to become something far greater. Across the mill yard, glowing blooms are transported, carrying residual heat and future potential. At the rolling mill, these blooms enter a reheating furnace, brought to a searing 250 degrees Celsius. Through the first roughing mill, the glowing steel is compressed and elongated, shedding
Spark
sparks
initiated.
like a
Results are
fiery
populating.
serpent. Along the mill's
Manganese at
path,
1.05,
the steel
also
billet
good.
stretches and thins, transforming with each powerful pass. Finally, the universal finishing mill sculpts the steel, forming the iconic I-beam profile of a railway rail. From the mill, a newly rolled 120-meter rail emerges, a red-hot ribbon of steel cooling with a hiss of steam. Etched into its surface are the rolling marks, a permanent identity. tracing its journey from scrap to rail. At the hot saw, a circular blade cuts through the glowing rail, ensuring precision and removing imperfections. Dozens of freshly rolled rails lie cooling, a vast metallic landscape transitioning from fiery orange to dark gray. The head hardening line, a precise dance of heat and water, transforming the rail's surface for unparalleled durability. In the control room, a metallurgist monitors the process, ensuring every rail meets the exacting standards of safety. Through the roller straightening machine, the rail is perfected, achieving a straightness measured in fractions of a millimeter. A quality inspector with a keen eye and precise tools verifies every rail's exact dimensions. An automated ultrasonic system scans the rail's interior, searching for any hidden flaws, ensuring absolute integrity. A Brinell hardness test confirms the rail's strength, a critical measure for its long life under heavy loads. In the final inspection area, finished rails, now cool and precise, undergo a last visual check. A quality officer's signature on a certificate of conformance marks the rail's readiness for its vital role. At the rail manufacturing facility, 220-meter rail ends are joined in a flash butt weld,
Peaking at
creating a
900,
seamless
dropping through quench to
connection.
150 in
A
under 30
slow-motion
seconds.
glimpse reveals the
Model updates,
automatic
target
grinder
370
smoothing the
HBN,
weld,
precision transformed
perfecting
scrap
the
and safety
continuous
critical
track.
rail.
A time-lapse captures the rapid installation of track panels, building the arteries of modern transport. A dramatic macro shot focuses on the
Using the
rail's
straight edge and dial
perfectly
indicator for the
straight running
straightness check.
surface, a
The gap is
testament to
0.3
engineering
millimeters within
excellence.
tolerance.
An aerial
Recording
view
the result on
reveals
the
a
inspection sheet.
completed section of
An
new
automated
track, a
ultrasonic
silver
head scans the
ribbon
rail's
stretching
internal structure
across
in
the
real time.
landscape, ready
The monitor
for
shows a
its
clean
first
test trace,
train.
free of anomaly
The
spikes.
rhythmic
The system
thunder of
approves each
steel
rail,
on
ensuring
steel
flawless quality.
announces its arrival.
Applying
A
the test
modern
force
passenger
now.
train gliding over its new
The
path.
result is
A
375.
macro
That's within the
close-up shows the
370 to
intimate
390
contact
spec.
between wheel
Recording
and
the
rail.
result.
Tiny patch bearing immense weight, performing flawlessly. From a busy station,
Surface
the
looks good.
camera pulls back, revealing
No
a
marks on
vast
the Weber
network
base.
of gleaming rails, all born from recycled steel. A powerful comparison: a crushed car, then a gleaming rail, the same material reborn, transformed. An animated infographic traces the incredible journey from old car to railway rail, a cycle of renewal. A metallurgist with passion and knowledge explains the unique chemistry that makes rail steel so exceptional. At a modern steel campus, the circular economy is in full view, a testament to sustainable industry. In a worker's hands, the stark contrast: raw shredded steel beside a polished rail cross section, the journey made tangible. Molten orange steel pours from the furnace, a dramatic and powerful moment, the heart of the recycling process. An aerial drone glides along a railway line, showcasing the beauty and functionality of this vital infrastructure. Meticulous paperwork traces each rail's journey, a testament to accountability and quality control. At twilight, a modern EAF steel mini mill glows, a beacon of continuous industrial recycling. A structural engineer with a satisfied nod inspects the new track, confirming its readiness for service. A new high-speed train, a blur of motion, races along its commissioned line, powered by recycled steel. An infographic highlights the environmental triumph: 71% lower CO2 emissions compared to traditional steelmaking. Animated statistics reveal the impressive scale: hundreds of cars per heat, miles of track from recycled steel. Inside a bustling subway station, trains arrive and depart, their tracks a silent testament to urban recycling. A scrapyard crusher transforms a recognizable car into a flat block,
The
a
steel
raw
rail springs
material
back
for a
fleet.
new
Good for me.
beginning.
Could it
A
set
long
for me
freight
to
train
exactly this
laden
time?
with finished rails journeys across the countryside, delivering the future of transport. A rail maintenance worker meticulously reprofiles a rail, extending its service life, ensuring longevity. Inside the melt shop, a new scrap charge basket is positioned, symbolizing the relentless 24/7 cycle of industrial recycling.
Scrap
A
steel from old
quality
cars is
inspector
shredded and
walks
melted
the
in an
entire
EAF
length
furnace at
of a
1600
finished rail,
degrees Celsius.
ensuring
Rolled into
every
rails,
inch
90
meets
tons
the
of steel per
highest
mile can be
standards.
produced from
A
180
vast
tons of
railway
scrap per heat.
construction
Rail-grade steel is
project
unique.
unfolds.
We precisely
Thousands
balance
of
carbon and
meters of
manganese is for
recycled
strength on
steel
Fendam
rails
and Shrub.
forming new
This gives the steel
arteries of
exceptional
connection.
fatigue resistance,
A
which is
melt shop
critical for rail
worker
applications.
in protective gear collects a molten steel sample, a high heat operation for quality assurance. At a station, commuters board a modern train as a close-up
On the left, raw
reveals
shredded
the
car
wheel
steel,
meeting
sharp,
the rail,
irregular,
old
and rusty.
steel in new service. A rapid
This
mounted
transformation
cycles
embodies
through
the journey
key
from
stages,
scrap to
crushing,
essential
arcing,
infrastructure.
pouring, rolling, and finishing. The essence of transformation. A freight train, loaded with gleaming new rails, passes through a station. Its
This logbook traces a batch of railway rails, starting with 182 tons of scrap from recycled car shreds, the heat Traharbagastation and dimensions, a fully traceable quality trail.
This is what recycled car steel ultimately becomes, the spine of modern infrastructure.
The grinding wheel passes along the railhead, removing 0.3 millimeters of surface material and restoring the original crown profile. This process can be repeated 5 to 6 times, extending the rail's service life to 30 years.
This vast valley is the site of a new 400-kilometer high-speed rail line. Thousands of meters of rail, made from recycled steel, are being installed an innovation.
Samples out, hot and ready. Got it, head to the lab now.
The new rails are headed for a track renewal project. The steel on these wagons was scrap
cargo,
car
a
metal
symbol
3
of
weeks
rapid
ago.
renewal. A metallurgical technician conducts a tensile strength test, confirming the rail's immense strength and adherence to standards. An aerial view pulls back from a major city railway
Every rail in
junction,
this network was made
revealing
by the
an
same
intricate
process we
network,
just witnessed.
all built from recycled
The city
cars.
moves on steel
At
rails
dawn,
made from
a
its
new
own
railway
recycled cars.
station stands silent, a lone worker checking the perfect gleaming rails ready for the day's first journey. Finally, from old cars to the tracks that carry millions. A simple, powerful truth as the distant sound of a train approaches. Don't forget to subscribe.